Yeah, bounce back, got that bounce back. Yeah, we got that bounce, retrack. Gotta find my mind, homie, where you at?
Really just prepping for like what it's gonna really look like. You can kind of start in here really quick. I already got this torn down. They got the sinks up, counters up.
Josh already going through the house.
Follow me. All right.
So that's the security.
This already taken apart, which is cool. That's crazy. It's the den area. They already closed off when we knocked down this wall here. Put the mud in on there, whatever it's called. They flipped that closet that was right here. Yeah. They flipped it, walled it off, and then put it on this side. Which that was right here. And put it right here. Oh, one recess light right here.
I mean,
I forgot what he said. I think he's gonna put 4 in here. One over there, but leave this open like a game room. Down the TV right there. Those 2 24-inch doors. And then the doors gonna open in like this way.
Dude, this is way different for just a week.
Oh, they already built the tub.
oh, whoa. Oh, snap, yep. They did it's called they do something. Waterproof it, that's what it is. Like, you have to waterproof it with our tiling.
This is the view I like. Front of the house, all the way to the back of the house. I'm saying I'm just gonna keep this open.
Doesn't it feel bigger? Way bigger, huh?
Like you can see the front of the house to the back of the house now without this wall in the way. They can feel way bigger. Have like a little table that we can fold away. Put it away when you want to come back here, play cards, chill. The dartboard right here, entertainment system, and then the TV mount.
Yep.
They did a lot.
Our TV's gonna be down right here. They gonna build a closet right here. And they're gonna be right here, that flow mat, 60 inches. So the closet's gonna start right here pretty much. On my side of the closet, I'm gonna go like 2-inch gap for her, and then another 5 foot for her side of the closet.
And then our TV right here, and then you got your bathroom and vanity and closet. This door won't be there, that window won't be there anymore.
Since it's already open, like the little window, that'd be kind of tight.
Yeah, but and there's our little half bath. We're gonna keep our little half bath, little toilet, have a little black in there. Yeah, gotta use your bathroom.
That wasn't mine. It wasn't flush.
All in the video, and that's nasty. Look.
That is nasty.
Look at this.
They're losing the tip on that.
You can see it.
Unfortunately, I did. Even for like when we resell it, if we resell it, or when we turn it into an Airbnb, like you can easily fit 2 beds in here now, like a twin size bed right there, boom. Twin size bed right there, boom. You got a loft bed right here, 6 people. 2 twin size beds in here too. 8, 10. Master bedroom. Let's show the kitchen. That whole cabinet is gone. It's an open space. And now you can see how big that peninsula gonna be. That's a big slab.
Got something right there, but y'all see it next week. All right.
So that's the last little update for week 2, episode 2.
Episode 2.
Episode 2. This is like the first full week of demo and all that stuff.
Peace out.